Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install or download Roblox game on your computer. Then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to sign out and sign in again on Microsoft Store. To sign out from Microsoft Store, on the top right on Microsoft Store you will see this profile icon. So click on it, select your account, click on sign out, and then close Microsoft Store and then open Microsoft Store once again, and then go ahead and sign in. Click on this profile icon, click on sign in, select your account, click on continue, enter the PIN or password, and then after you're logged in, try to go ahead and download Roblox once again. Now still you are facing the problem, still you are unable to download or install it, then please follow the next step, that is run Windows Store Troubleshooter. To run Windows Store Troubleshooter, go to the start menu, then click on settings, then click on update and security, then click on troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooter, scroll down and find Windows Store apps. So click on Windows Store apps, then click on run the troubleshooter. Once the troubleshooter is done, go ahead and try to install Roblox once again. Now still you are facing the problem, then you can go ahead and clear store cache using ws reset command. So just go ahead and type in ws reset in Windows search, then make a right click on ws reset and then click on run as administrator, then click on yes. And here you will see this black screen. So do not close this black screen, and this black screen will go away and the Microsoft Store will open up. So till then you have to go ahead and wait. Do not close this window. This may take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute. So here you can see the black screen is gone now and the Microsoft Store is open. Go ahead and try to download Roblox once again. Now still you are facing the problem, then go ahead and update Windows 10. To update Windows 10, go to the start menu, then click on settings, then click on update and security, then click on Windows Update, and then go ahead and click on check for update or install. So whatever option you see, most of the time it's check for update, so click on check for update and then go ahead and install the update and then restart your computer and then try to use Store. The next step is to update your application on your update apps on Microsoft Store. So open Store. On the top right you will see three dots, click on it, then click on download and updates and click on get updates and then try to use Store. Now still you are facing the problem, then reset Store app. To reset Store app, go to the start menu, then click on setting, then click on apps, and then you have to go ahead and find Microsoft Store in the list. Scroll down and find Microsoft Store, click on it, then click on advanced option, scroll down and here you will see the reset option. Click on reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details, so you might have to log in once again. So click on reset, and after the reset close the settings window and then try to use Store and then try to download Roblox. Now still you are facing the problem, then run this command. These commands are provided in the video description, so copy it from there and go ahead and type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, and then click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow, and then paste the command and then hit the enter key on the keyboard. Then restart your computer, go to the start menu, click on power icon, then click on restart, and after the restart try to use Store. Now still you are facing the problem, then you have to run the second command, Open PowerShell once again, and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell, and then click on Run as Administrator, then click on Yes, and this time run the second command. Hit the Enter key on the keyboard and restart your computer, and then try to use Store. Now still you are facing the problem, then go ahead and uninstall and reinstall Store. To uninstall Store, use this command. This command is again provided in the video description. So type in PowerShell in Windows search. Again, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, and then run as administrator, then click on Yes. Enter the command to uninstall. Copy this command, and then paste the command, and then hit the Enter key. Now before I go ahead and uninstall, I'll show you. I'll open Store once, and here you can see the Store is open right now. Right now the Store is open, and once I hit the Enter key, the Store will go away. And here you can see the Store is gone. Now if I try to open Store, it will not open. If I click on it, it's not opening anymore. So the Store is uninstalled now. Then go ahead and restart your computer. After you uninstall, go ahead and restart your computer. Go to the Start menu and then click on Restart. And after the restart, then go ahead and run this command to reinstall Store. So go ahead and type in PowerShell once again, and then make a right click, and then click on Run as Administrator, then click on Yes, and copy the second command, which will help you to reinstall Store, and then hit the Enter key on the keyboard. And now the Store is reinstalled. You should go ahead and open Microsoft Store now, and you can go ahead and download Roblox. Now still you are facing the problem, then you have to run these two commands. So to run these two commands, again you have to open PowerShell, and then make a right click, Run as Administrator, then click on Yes, copy this command, paste it, and then hit the Enter key on the keyboard. Now this process will take some time. Once the verification is 100%, then restart your computer and then try to use Store. Now still you are facing the problem, then run the second command. Type in PowerShell once again, and then make a right click, and then click on Run as Administrator, then click on OK, and run the second command, and then hit the Enter key on the keyboard. And once the scan is 100%, then restart your computer and then try to use Store, and then download Roblox. Let it be 100%. Do not close this window. Once this is 100%, restart your computer. And still you are facing the problem, then you have to go ahead and run this command, that is inetcpl.cpl. This command is also provided in video description. Open Run box, make a right click on the Start menu, then click on Run, and then go ahead and type in inetcpl.cpl, then click on OK. Go to Advanced tab, scroll down, and then you have to go ahead and put a check on option which says Use TLS 1.2. So if this is unchecked, you have to go ahead and check it, put a tick mark over here, then click on Apply, OK, and then try to use Store. Now if nothing is working, then you can use Media Creation tool to update your Windows 10. So open Google Chrome and just type in Media Creation tool in Google search. Go to Microsoft website, click on Download tool now. Now once you click on Download tool now, a small exe file will download. You have to run this exe file, and then you will see this tool, Media Creation tool, on the screen. Agree to the terms and condition, then click on Upgrade this PC now, click on Next, and once the download is complete, this will take some time to download the complete Windows 10 file along with the latest update. Now once this is done, before installing Windows 10, it will show you this screen which says Keep Personal Files and App. By default, this option will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Then click on Install, and after the Windows install is done, which will go ahead and install Windows 10 along with the latest update. Once that is done, go ahead and log into your computer and then use store. So one of the steps should definitely help you to download Roblox on your computer without any issue. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.